my dear students? Just see here. There are two dolls. Can you compare these dolls? Yes, you can compare these dolls. How you compare? You compare these dolls based on height or colors. But you can compare this doll based on height. The height of this doll is more than height of this doll. Height of this doll is more than height of this doll. So what are you doing? You are comparing these two dolls. I think you understand what is your today's topic. Yes, students, today's topic is comparison of numbers. Okay, so comparison of numbers. So what is the meaning of comparison? Comparison meaning which number is greater, which number is smaller, which number is greatest, which number is smallest. So let's see some example how you compare the numbers. Look at here. Your first two numbers are 7 and 19. 7 and 19. Students, the number which comes later in counting is a greater number. But this is very confusing concept. So how you compare the numbers? Just count. First rule of comparison of number is count the digits. Okay. So this is your first number and this is your second number. First number, in the first number, one digit, only 7. In the second number, how many digits? 2 digits. 1 digit and 2 digits. So this is your 1 digit and 2 digit number. The number which having more digit is greater number. The numbers which having more digit is greater number. So automatically this number is smaller number. So 19 is greater than 7. 19 is greater than 7. And you know what is this sign? This is your greater than sign. Now let's take the second example. 2, 5, 25, 2, 3, 23. So what is your first step? Count the digits. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, both digits are same. The numbers, both numbers having equal digits. What will you do now? Very easy. You compare each digit. One digit you compare. Let's start. This is your first digit is 2 in this number and in this number 2. The both digits are same. So what will you do? No comparison because both digits are same. Now let's move on second digit, that is 5 and in this number 3. So you can compare 5 and 3. 5 comes later in counting and 5 comes after 3. So 5 is greater than 3. It means this whole number is greater than this number. 25 is greater than 23. Let's take one more example. 345, 253. So first you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The digits are same. So what will you do? You compare each digit. First you compare first digit. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger than 2. 3 is bigger than 2 because 3 comes after 2 in counting. So automatically, so first digit, when you compare the first digit and you got the answer, so there is no need to compare the next digit. So what is your answer? This sign you put here. 345 is greater than 253. Now students, you have seen when I am comparing the numbers, I am using this sign. So this is your three signs to compare the numbers. Greater than sign, smaller than sign and equals to. Don't get confused. This is same sign and I am just turn this sign. How you remember this sign? Which side you write the bigger number, which side you write the smaller numbers. So assume this is a crocodile's mouth and crocodile's stomach is big, very big, and he want to eat big number. So he open his mouth to big number. He opens his mouth to big number. So you write big numbers on this side and smaller number on this side. Now see this sign. Where write bigger number? You write bigger number on this side and smaller number on this side. Same. There is no difference in these two signs. Now what is this? This is your equals to sign. When the numbers are same, use this sign. Let's see. 300, 300. The numbers are same, use this sign. Let's take more example with this sign. So, the question is put the symbols greater than, smaller than or equals to. First example, 43, 47, 4, 4 same. You can't compare. 3 and 7 are different digits, so you can compare. 7 is more than 3. So the 47 is more than 43. 47 is greater number than 43. So where you put the crocodile's mouth? Bigger side, because his stomach is big. Okay. Now let's see the next example. 500, 500. There is no crocodile sign because the numbers are same. So you put equals to sign. Let's see the third example. 440, 440. 404, 404. So now you start comparing. 4, 4. No, but this are same. 4 and 0. So you compare this digit 4 and 0. 4 is bigger than 0. 4 is bigger than 0. So the 440 is bigger than 404. So which is bigger number? 440. So where you open the crocodile's mouth? To the bigger side. So this is your crocodile's mouth, and you write the bigger number on this side. So I think you understand how you compare the 1 digit, 2 digit or 3 digit number. Students, do practice. Take some sums from your book, and daily you are doing practice of comparison of numbers. It is very important topic because the next topic, ascending and descending order, totally based on comparison of numbers. Thank you students, and enjoy maths.